Okay, and yet another parcel of seam knobby material from Lightning Ridge. Again, larger pieces, rules in millimetres. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in. This is the left hand corner. Migrate across. Right hand side. Moving up. Don't forget you can stop the video, look at the pictures anytime. Reference back. Now just get a couple of these pieces. This is the bottom left hand knobby. Extra bright colours under there. That might cut a really good stone, but that's part of the deal. If you get a good stone, it's worth $1 million. Good on you. There's a couple. Either one of those, if you cut a stone and you've got your money back. Cheers.